Man, I hate that we're having a test today. Yeah, me too. Tests suck. I know how to make the test go by faster. Yes, that's oh my god, that's genius. Yo, that's genius. I know, right? Do it. What? You heard me. Do it. Okay. I'm a bit nervous because there's an alarm right above it, but, Man, I hate this test. Hey, no talking. Sorry. And boom. Dang it, I think the fire alarm is going off. Let's go. Yo, somebody pulled it. Glad we can't hear it out here. Oh, it's so loud. I can't hear it anymore. Let's go. Yo, is that the fire department? Yo, that's the fire department. Yo! Hey, there's a fire. Get out. Go, go, go. Come on, come on. There's a fire. Come on. Damn it, that's up. Hey, there's a fire. Hey. Fire. Get out of here. Get in the building. Get in. Hey, somebody pulled it. It's a false alarm. I need to just grab my keys. Checking fingerprint scanner. Arnold. Dornink. Dirt. Outside. Pulled fire alarm. To skip a test. Piece of crap. I gotta tell the principal. Yo, some kid pulled the fire alarm. Who? Arnold Dornink? Nah! Arnold! How could you do such a thing? I am so disappointed in you. Arnold! What? I'm so disappointed in you. For what? You pulled the fire alarm. What? Fine, I did. Aha! I knew it. Can't you just use like a fingerprint scanner or something? Yeah, but, you're arrested. Oh, wait, what? No, I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I swear. No, I'm innocent. I'm innocent. Wait, is that a high security jail? No, 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 I'm innocent. I swear. I'm innocent. I swear. Whoa. No, 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 no. No, it's locked. It's locked. I can get a hand out. Keys. Yes. No, you'll have to wait. Not gonna lie, brother. Not gonna lie though, this prison kind of funny. Wait, can I do a front flip? Yo. Hi. I'm so bored here in this prison. You know how prisons are. Yo, did you just hear that? I swear I heard keys. Wait. No. That was yo. Yo! I can open it alone. Come on. I can grab it. I got keys. I got the keys. I got one of the locks. I wonder why this one's a simplex B. Oh, I got it halfway. Unlocked another lock. And now we're open.